You are going to love the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along.